Americana here. Again, it's on the ground. Vamos a continuar, Luis.
Seems like it'd be a really hard job to learn how to do.
Okay, it's this one.
Because you have to get like the right depth.
Probably, I mean, I have seen different species of birds. Females can be greenish, it can be brownish. Males can be reddish, it can be yellowish, but do you have any idea what is the meaning of the colors? If you know, raise your hand and tell me. No? What about if you have a party? Okay, this is an example. There's a party tonight. Fiesta. A lot of people. You are inviting your friends. If you are in your home, probably you are, I don't know, you want to use the best clothes, you want to be very beautiful or very handsome. You know, the birds, they are very similar, like you know, they wanna be like the best species.
What? There's a cow?
Yeah.
Awesome.
There's a cow. Okay, this is a question and it's easy. I know that this is very easy. You have to know that. Okay, tell me. Salud. Cows are native from where?
Cows.
No Costa Rica.
Oh, there's another puppy on the hill.
No, from Mexico. No, from
I know, that's hilarious.
Okay, cows are native from Asia, from Asia. They are native from there. They are not native from America. Okay, if I'm talking about America, it's the
So cute.
Okay, that bird is very common here in Costa Rica. Okay,
oh, look at it.
Really? Oh, yeah, it's gone.
Well, I'm not gonna be able to see
it's very easy to find those kind of birds. We call them
that was cool.
Clay color robin. Okay, it's like brownish. This is our national bird. Okay, you can tell me, but why this is not? It's not colorful because when they are singing, they are excellent. And usually, the people, they don't like to hear the clay color robin when they are singing because they said, those robins are calling the rain. but they don't know exactly that they are in breeding season. And they have breeding season in rainy season.
Cow.
Yeah, if I was a cow, I'd like to live there.
So would I. That'd be a nice place to live as a cow.
Laying down on the beach.
Just relaxing.
Muy bien. In Costa Rica, we have more than about 200 species of mammals. What is the main characteristic of mammals?
Fur. Milk. Fur.
What?
Mammary gland.
Live birth. I'm pretty sure they're involved. Hair.
And also, yeah, hairs, and also because I don't know how can I explain that. Yeah, muy bien, whatever. But this is like the main characteristic of the mammals. I said that here in Costa Rica we have about 200 species of them, but believe it or not, more than 100 of them are bats. Murciélagos. Do you wanna see? Do you wanna see murciélagos? Bats? Look. Look that tree. Can you see that things? Just to the right side. Right side. Those. Look. The black spots. Okay. Can you see the sign? Okay, right side. Just there, look, there. Those are bats.
What kind? They migrate.
Okay, exactly, I don't know because I can see it very well here. Okay, most of the time the people they said, oh my god, I don't like bats. Because I know that some of you, or probably all of you, have seen the movie like Dracula, like that killing the people or drinking the blood. But believe it or not, those animals are very important in your life, also in my life.